My Viking microwave is turning on but is not heating at all. I live in an area without Viking repair, so was hoping to troubleshoot. Any ideas?
Can you guesstimate how old your Viking is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Model VOC 205 SS. Built 2010.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it is relatively simple.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of now.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. If the microwave still looks and sounds like it's working, but it's just not heating, that means your magnetron has likely failed. The magnetron is the part that actually creates the microwave to heat the food, and it commonly goes bad and rarely gives a warning. The part itself costs about $80, so it's not a cheap fix at all, I'm sorry to say. Also, it will require you to uninstall the entire microwave and remove the outer shell in order to access the magnetron for replacement, so if you called a technician out, it would be another $150 to $200 for trip and labor. Below is a link to the magnetron you'd need to order and replace for your model number. Click here for magnetron. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
This sounds very reasonable. I was nervous to get into the guts lest I touch something that holds charge or something even went off. I will look into it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.